Hi, this is Francine. This is my bird. His name is Pretty. He's 22-year old and he's a conure, a miniature bird. I, the first time I ever saw him, he was 6 weeks old. He was so tiny when I brought him home. I have to syringe feed him because he was too small to pick up the food on his own. Now, believe it or not, he's 22 years old and he is picking his feathers out. Every day he picked the feather out. He reached all the way to his back, his wings, and his stomach. I took him to the vet. They told me he is stressed. Everything I tried, nothing worked. If anyone have any suggestion, please, I would appreciate it because he's completely naked. A few feathers here and there. I keep him indoors all the time. I make sure the temperature is right. He never be cold or overheated. Pretty, he talks a lot, but he only talks for me. And he said nice things like, I love you, give me a kiss, what you doing, you better behave yourself, give me a kiss. And he throw me a kiss, he be going, give me a kiss, give me a kiss. He's a very nice bird. He is green, black, and he is red on his feet. Pretty is not just a bird. He act more like a human being. You know, if you sneeze, he said, bless you. If the phone ring, he said, hello, hello. Even if you cough, he said, bless you. You know, and I want to introduce Pretty to my friends on the YouTube. And if someone can give me an idea of what to do to let him not be stressed. The doctor said he's stressed out, and they don't give me any medication for him. And he continued plucking his feathers. And I don't know what to do to let him stop. Yeah. He's here posing for the camera, for the video. He loves to dance. You put some music on and he's dancing a minute. Yeah, this is my friend Pretty, 22 years old, from 6 weeks old. And the vet told me that he can live to be 85 years old. So he said, make sure you put him in your will, because as long as he get good care, he will outlive you. And I take the best care that I can of him. And I always make sure he have fresh food, every day fresh water, and make sure his bedding is clean. And Pretty loves to talk. He don't like strangers. He do not like strangers at all. He don't like people reaching for him or putting their fingers in his cage, because he will bite. And this is Pretty. Just want to share him with you. And the most important thing, please, if you know anything about birds out there, see his belly. I'm putting him up closer. See how he pluck all the feathers out of his belly? Sometimes it bleeds. And I don't know what to do to let him stop. He's a good boy. And he loves other birds. but he just don't like anyone sticking their finger in his cage. Okay, that's enough about Pretty right now, but please let me know what you think and what I can do to help him. Thank you. And please like and subscribe.